Hey everyone, want to create stunning animations but have no experience in animation or design? No problem. AI is making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-powered animations without coding, expensive software, or complicated tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make pro-level animations in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right AI animation tool. The first step is selecting an AI-powered animation tool. There are tons of options, but here are some of the best. Runway ML, perfect for generating realistic animations from text prompts. Pika Labs, easily turn images into motion graphics. Kyber AI, great for transforming artwork into stunning animated sequences. Deep Motion, AI-powered motion capture to animate 3D characters. DID creates talking avatars and animated faces from images. Most of these tools are completely beginner-friendly and don't require animation skills. 2. Generating your first AI animation. Once you've chosen your tool, it's time to create your first animation. Here's how. Option 1. Text to video. Runway ML, Pika Labs, Kyber AI. Simply type a description of the animation you want. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk city with neon lights and flying cars at night. AI will then generate a video based on your description. Option 2. Image to animation, Kyber AI, Pika Labs. Upload a still image and AI will animate it. You can add camera movements, lighting effects, or zoom transitions. Option 3. Video to animation, Runway ML Deep Motion. If you have a video clip, AI can stylize it to look like a cartoon anime or a 3D animation. 3. Customizing your animation. Once your animation is generated, you can fine-tune it to make it even better. Change motion and speed, adjust animation speed for smooth transitions. Add text and effects. Use built-in editors to add captions, voiceovers, and music. Improve details. Some AI tools allow you to refine facial expressions or movements. This step lets you add a personal touch to your AI-generated video. 4. Enhancing with AI voiceovers and music. Your animation needs sound. Here's how to make it more engaging. Use AI voice generators like Murph AI, 11 Labs, or Play.ht for professional narration. AI music tools like Soundraw, AEV, or Beethoven.ai can create unique background music. Adding high-quality voiceovers and music will take your animation to the next level. 5. Export and share your AI animation. Now that your animation is ready, it's time to export it and share it with the world. Best platforms to post your animations. YouTube Shorts and TikTok AI animations can go viral fast. Instagram Reels, great for cinematic style animations. NFT marketplaces sell AI-generated animated art. Pro tip, use trending hashtags like #AI animation or #AI creations to reach more viewers. AI has completely changed the animation game. You no longer need years of experience or expensive tools, just an idea and the right AI software. So, are you ready to create your first AI animation? Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. And if you want more AI content, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my next video on how to make money with AI animations.